Kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Cisily Kariuki kibaro-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta, thirikari ni ibariirie kugitira mwingi kumana na murimu wa Ebola.
I wish to reassure all Kenyans and our visitors that we do not have any cases of Ebola, and indeed the ministry has undertaken and continues to implement the preparedness measures, which include the following. 1, an alert to all health workers and the general public has been given to enhance surveillance measures.
Kuratuika ndariri cia murimu uyu cionekete na mutumia uria ibinda-ini riri aigitwo keberi-ini thibitari-ini ya Kericho thutha wake kuonania ndariri ona gutuika arigitani thibitari-ini ucio maugite matire na wira muiganu kana ni murimu wa Ebola.
We do not have a case of Ebola here in Kericho. What we have is a suspected case.
Imwe cia ndariri cia murimu wa Ebola ni urugari mwiri-ini, kuriyo ni mutwe, guturo ni marungo, kuriyo ni nda, kwaga bata wa irio gatagata-ini ka ndariri ingi. Thibitari imwe ta Jaramogi Oginga Odinga kaunti-ini ya Kithumo ni ciambiriirie mebariria ma urigitani wa mwanya kungituika murimu wa Ebola ni ututhukite.
If we use the word Ebola and it's likely being around, is going to cause untold panic for no good reason. So let's confirm every story before we air it. Let's be careful how we package the information that gets out. We owe this country and the public that much duty of care in terms of what we communicate.
Gukiri ugwa Kenya ni muritio matikage guoya o wothe kana kuthama kwao ni amu ndeto ya gukorwo na murimu wa Ebola ni ndeto itari njikire mukonde. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi, wadia wa Murithi.